Self-reflection involves examining your thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors to understand why you think and act the way you do. This introspective practice helps you identify biases, recognize patterns, and gain insights into your decision-making processes. Several techniques can enhance your self-reflection. Journaling allows you to track your progress and identify recurring themes. Mindfulness helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. Seeking feedback from others provides external perspectives on your actions and decisions. After reflecting, the next step is to adjust your thoughts and behaviors based on your insights. This might involve changing your approach, adopting new strategies, or letting go of unproductive habits. Reflection and adjustment are ongoing processes. Regularly revisiting your thoughts and actions helps you continuously improve your critical thinking skills, fostering adaptability and resilience. To practice reflection and adjustment, try daily reflection to consider what went well and what didn't. Analyze specific incidents to identify lessons and adjustments. Set specific goals for improving your critical thinking skills and regularly review your progress.